सभी को नमस्कार। मैं बलबीर कश्यप, पीओ कुंभियासी राजौन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैथल, हरियाणा। पुनः एक नई जानकारी, एक नई वीडियो के साथ में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। चलिए जानते क्या है ये जानकारी। इस जानकारी के माध्यम से आप जान पाएंगे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि आजकल देश के सभी स्कूलों, चाहे वो सरकारी है या गैर सरकारी है, सभी में एक वीर गाथा जो प्रोजेक्ट 3.0 है वो चला हुआ है, और उसमें जो क्लास है वो 3 से लेके 12वीं क्लास तक शामिल की गई हैं। तो जैसा कि ये वीडियो आप देख पा रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया यानी भारत सरकार शिक्षा मंत्रालय, स्कूल शिक्षा और साक्षरता विभाग, शास्त्री भवन, नई दिल्ली के माध्यम से जो ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी हैं इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड ट्रेनिंग ब्यूरो में प्राची पांडे जी, उनके माध्यम से 13 जुलाई 2023 को ये जारी किया गया था। इसमें बताया गया कि जो प्रोजेक्ट वीर गाथा वाज इंस्टीट्यूशन अंदर गैलेंट्री अवार्ड पोर्टल GAP इन 2021 with the aim to disseminate the details of the act of bravery of the gallantry awardee and the life story of these brave hearts among the students, so as to raise the spirit of the patriotism and instill amongst them values of civic conscientiousness. Project Veer Gatha depended this noble aim by providing a platform to the school student to do creative project activity based on Gallantry Award winner. As part of this, the student framed different projects through various media like art, poems, essay, and multimedia on this Gallantry Award winners, and best project were awarded at national level by Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Education. The project has been quarter minus the Republic Day celebration each year. Veer Gatha has been a phenomenal success with 8 lakh participants in Veer Gatha 1.0 conducted in 2021-22 and 19.5 lakh in Veer Gatha 2.0 conducted in 2023-22-23. Honorable Raksha Mantri and Honorable Minister of Education have commended Veer Gatha as heralding of a revolution amongst the student of India. The Ministry of Defence, in collaboration with Ministry of Education, has now decided to launch project Veer Gatha 3.3 in the current year 2023-24. The project Veer Gatha edition 3.0 shall be organized as per the timeline mentioned in the concept note. Is copy and close. The project will open for all the schools in the all state and union territory. Ministry of Defence will organize virtual face-to-face awareness program session for schools across the country. This program session will take place frequently. List of venues and timing for the aforesaid program session will be shared in advance by Ministry of Defence with every state UT so that maximum school can participate. As part of this, the students can frame different projects such as poem, paragraph, story, drawing, video on Gallantry Award winners. The submission by the students can made in any of the by scheduled language and English. There will be winner at every level: district level, state level, UT level, and national level. The winner at national level will be facilitated jointly the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and Ministry of Defence, Government of India as Delhi. All the winner at district and state level will be facilitated by respective district and state. In connection, it has been decided that Project Veer Gatha 3.0 will be launched by My Government platform for all the schools irrespective of school education board by facilitating larger participation of students from all school boards in the country. The evaluation of entry will take place at all level: district level, state level, UT level, national level. The responsibility of the district level and state UT level evaluation of entries is of Education Department of concerned state UT. Accordingly, committees for district level and state level evaluation of entry through nodal officer appointed at district level and state level may be constituted by state UT Educational Department (SPD). The guideline for submission of entry online on my portal, my government portal, finalized by MOE and MOD in consultation with my government, will be provided by Ministry of Education, Government of India, to Education Department of all states, UT and school education boards, including CBSE, for circulating the same to all the schools as well as school education board under their states /UT. The credential of nodal officer, name, designation, email and mobile appointed at state UT level may be please be sent to the Ministry of within a week by 21/7/2023 by email through ये मेल एड्रेस दिए हुए हैं. The access of my portal for state level evaluation will be given only to these nodal officer appointed at state level. The list of nodal officer, name, designation, email, mobile at district level in respect state UT will be compiled by nodal officer appointed at state level. The aforesaid list needs to be compiled by 11/8/2023. Since the nodal officer on behalf of Ministry of Education, Government of India, is secretary, CBSE, email level, share the list of nodal officer and district level and CBSE under information of the ministry. CBSE, being the nodal agency on behalf of this ministry, will compile the list of all the nodal officer appointed at district level received from all the nodal officer at state level, share the same with government by giving access to my government portal of them. Since CBSE will coordinate with all state UT level nodal officer to all state, the responsibility of the obtaining the list of nodal officer at district level from nodal officer of all state and UT will be of a CBSE. In view of above, all the state government, UT administrator, MOD, CBSE, NCERT, KYS and GNMV are requested to popularize the project Veer Gatha and to do the needful at their end. Action may be initiated in this regard, adhering to the timelines mentioned in the concept note. All school education board are also requested need to take necessary action immediately. Brigadier Praveen Kumar Sharma, retired, 9064726792 will be the single point of contact SPOC for the conduct of Veer Gatha project edition 3.0. Shri Nikhil Saxena, director coordination, will be the nodal officer from Ministry of Defence for overall coordination. Number 01123012809. It is also independent that Secretary CBSE, mail ID, phone number will be nodal officer on behalf of Ministry of Education, Government of India. Dr. Manjeet Singh, Deputy Secretary CBSE, a telephone number is also available. 8506013613 is coordinating on behalf of CBSE. तो ये जैसा ये अभी हमने सिर्फ एक DO लेटर का ही इसमें हवाला किया है. जो अगली वीडियो हम जानकारी हासिल करेंगे कि किस तरह से इसमें कैसे कैसे पार्टिसिपेशन हम कर सकते हैं, कौन सी क्लासेस में शामिल की गई हैं और उसका डिटेल जो है ना ब्यौरा इसके अंदर दिया. वैसे तो इसमें कंसेप्ट नोट में मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. ये कंसेप्ट नोट है, तो इसमें सारी टॉपिक, कैटेगरीज, गाइडलाइन, सारी प्रोजेक्ट टाइमलाइन, सारा कुछ है. बट ये फिर इस तरह से वीडियो लंबी चली जाएगी, तो हम इसकी जो डिटेल है, बातें हैं, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कर लेंगे. ये सारे पॉइंट्स आपको मैं अगले उसमें आपको बता दिए जाएंगे. तो चलिए इस वीडियो को तो मैं यहीं पे समाप्त करता हूँ. आशा करता हूँ कि इस प्रोजेक्ट की जानकारी आप तक पहुँच गई है और आप इसको अच्छे से निभाएं. अपने अपने स्तर पर सभी अपने इसमें काम करें और मेरी अपील है सभी हमारे अध्यापक, स्कूल मुखियाओं से कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को इसमें शामिल करें और जो बेस्ट एंट्री है उसमें जो गवर्नमेंट पोर्टल है उस पर ज़रूर डालें. वीडियो देखने के लिए, समय निकालने के लिए आप सभी का हार्दिक आभार. धन्यवाद.